Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful features in SQL, the join. If you remember from our group by lesson, I mentioned that we would combine the payment and customer tables to get customer details along with the payment info. Well, in this video we are going to learn how we can do exactly that using join. But before we jump into the practical example, let's first understand what is join, how does it work, and what type of joins exist in SQL. So let's get started. What is join? In relational database, data is usually stored across multiple tables. For example, customer details might be in one table and payment records in another. A join lets us pull that related data together. It's like connecting the dots between those two tables using shared columns, typically the primary key or foreign keys. Let's look at this example. We have a customer table with ID and name, and another table, order table, with ID, customer ID and amount. This ID is the order ID. The customer ID in the order table refers to the ID in the customer table, and that's our link. This shared column is what join uses to bring the data together. Now let's see the types of joins. There are four most commonly used joins in SQL, and those are inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join. An inner join returns only the rows that have matching values in both tables. For example, if a customer has placed an order, we'll get that customer's name and their order amount. But we won't have any record of the customers that didn't place any order. As we can see here, there's 4 records in our order table and customer table. But the customer 1 didn't place any order. And we can see that the customer 1 doesn't exist in our output either. It only returns the matched value, that is 3, 4, 3, 2, these 3 values. Now let's see what is left join. Left join returns all rows from the left table and matched rows from the right table. That is, we will get all 4 of these customers, but only the matched records from this order table. As you can see that these customers have matched record in our order table, so we got that value. But since customer 1 didn't place any order, so it returned null values for the order table part. Now let's see what is right join. It's actually the same as the left join, but it returns all rows from the right table and the matched rows from the left tables. So we will get all of these records, all 4 of these. So we can see all 4 of these are here, and only the matched one from this, and we can see the matched one from this here. And we should have gotten a null records from the left table if we had a customer in our order table that doesn't exist in the customer table. As that is not the case, we have this output. Now let's see what is full outer join. It returns all rows from both tables. This we will have all of these and all of these as well. So we have all of these rows here and all of these rows here. As you can see, the 1 is here as well, but the customer 1 didn't have any order, so it returned null values. And similar to the right join, if we had a customer in our order table that didn't exist in our customer, we would have gotten some null values in our customer table data as well. So in our next video, we will be writing SQL queries using join on the payment and customer tables, just like we discussed earlier. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss that video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.